let's take a look at the Tenable Goblin L. So I just got this. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. The usual Tenable stuff in the box. I really like Tenable knives. In fact, kind of becoming one of my favorite knife brands. Why? Because they make great knives that are affordable, and it is also Concept's sister budget-friendly line. So let's take a look at this. What we have is anodized aluminum scales, pocket clip, and there's 3 ways to deploy this. This is the first time for me to open this one. So we have the big cutout, liner lock, nested liner lock. Let me get a little better light. Hold on. There, I don't know if that's going to help much. It's just a rainy, gloomy day here today. Take a closer look at that blade. Yeah, and it's got a little oil on it. It is 14C, 28 in steel, Goblin L, Marshall Noble design. And here's your lockup. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. All right, so we also have a front flipper. So yeah, front flipper, cut out, and that's the way to deploy it that I see. All right, let's go over some specs. It's a crazy looking knife. Zoom in on there, and let me give you some specs on it. I think it's kind of cool design. So we have a total length of 7.61. It's a flat grind. The blade stock is 3 millimeters. And the handle is, or wait, I don't know the handle, sorry. 3.08 is the blade length on this. And all you have to do is subtract that from the total length and you have your handle length. And it weighs 4.55 ounces. On their website, they call this the biggest little knife. Anno aluminum. It is amphibian inspired by Marshall Noble. And this is what it's inspired after: the 1984 U.S. Air Force XF Goblin experimental fighter jet. All right, there we go with that part. Let's take a look at the hardware. See what we have. Let's see what those are. I'm assuming it's a T8, but let's check it out. We got T8. T8. Oh yeah. And T8. All the hardware is T8, except let's check this one because usually they go to a T6 on these. Pocket clips. And yes, we do have a T6 on the pocket clip, which, sorry, looks like no lefty love on that one. So, all right. And let's compare it to a couple other knives, and I'll show you what it looks like in the pocket. let's compare it to some other knives. Let me wipe that thing off. All right, let's compare it to a couple other Tenables. There we have the Tenable. Eternity. And one of my favorites, the Tenable Model 6. Really like that knife. And let's do one more. Well, I just got this one. Haven't done a review. Haven't even cut anything with it. We have the Tenable Tipper. Another unusual knife shape with the ultimate. I need to do a review on this one. I really like this one. I don't know why. I think it's the blade style. I think that blade style would be really good. You know, unitary kind of blade. So there we have 3 other Tenables to compare it to. And if we take out the big boy, that would be the Tenable Bomber. That's a big one. But let's do one that's kind of everybody knows. You know what I mean? Everybody knows this knife, kind of. And that would be, everybody knows about the Civivi Elementum. So there you go. So it's kind of a nice size knife, if you ask me. Handy size, not too big, not too little, that kind of in there with that kind of bunch. And that looks kind of like, I would say, sheep's foot would be probably the best kind of description of that style blade. And there's your blade steel. Really nice aluminum anodized and textured really well. It feels, I'm going to put it in my hand so you can see it. So that's in my hand, and I have a woman's medium-sized hand. Very comfortable, actually. Let's check out what it looks like in the pocket. I got to get a different pocket, really. All right, there's your pocket. Now, if you're a knife person, you know that usually you carry your knife kind of back in here, so the blade is against your seam. All right, there you go. That's how much is going to be sticking out. It does come in different colors. I think they even have a Damascus one. All right, let's check out how this thing cuts. I gotta say, the action on this is, oops, got my finger stuck. Very smooth. Very smooth. The front flipper is easy too. Very easy, to be truthful. Running on ceramic ball bearings, they always are pretty smooth, aren't they? Let's check out how this cuts. Ooh, well, I'm really not with it today. All right, here we go. Let's see. 14 C28 steel is one of my favorite budget-friendly steels. Oh, this thing's sharp. I didn't cut. That's me. I'm not cutting very good. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it's sharp. I know it didn't go all the way through, but that's because of the way I'm holding it away from my tripod. But we'll check it on some other stuff too. I think I need a new mat. How about some smaller cardboard? It's supposed to be like a utility blade, so let's just try it out. Oh, that went through easy. Folded because of me. I should have cut out some more other cardboard, but I didn't. It's being lazy. And if you haven't got one of these little kettles, I would get one. They're really cool. I did a video on that kettle. Here we go. Whoops, I got in the choil there. There's a little bit of a choil on the end there. But for budget-friendly steel, you really can't beat 14C20N, excuse me. Let's check out the paper. Oh yeah. Easy cut. Really, for a budget-friendly brand, I think Tenable has been knocking it out of the park with their budget-friendly lineup concept. Tenable, same company. And I really love this one. I mean, they really put out some great knives. I've never had one issue with a Tenable knife. So there we go. Hope you all are having a great day. Yeah, that's what it looks like out here today. It's been raining off and on. So that's all I have. Hope you guys are all having a great day. And I will leave the link for these two Tenables, all the Tenables, in the description, and check them out. They really have a nice lineup of knives. Really nice. And this is just a part of my Tenable collection. And if you'd like 10% off, you can always use one of the other creators' codes, like DBD or Dark Water, and you can get 10% off. 10% off is a good thing. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you all had a great day, or having a great day. Bye.